to take data on the MAND training implementation. So one partner will be doing the MAND training while the other partner takes data on the trainer's behavior. So if my partner is implementing the MAND training and I'm taking data on them, I would write my date. So let's say it's still February, and I'm observing my partner, and they're able to contrive the motivating operation. They, find an item the child likes, make sure the child sees that they have it, and then I would mark a 1. And then if they just prompted the MAND, whether it's a full prompt or a partial verbal, I would do 1, regardless of what it was. But then I would need to make sure they provided the correct prompt. So say, for example, we'd finally moved up to a full verbal. The past couple of days, we've been using a partial verbal, and my child finally got it, so we moved up to the full verbal, but my partner still does a partial because they forgot to move up. Because it's the wrong prompt, I would mark it as a 0. Then I would see if my child demands. I'm not going to take data on that because that doesn't have anything to do with my partner's behavior. And then I would observe if my partner delivered the stimulus related to the MO. So if we're using a cookie during these trials and the child says cookie, I would observe if my partner gave them the cookie. And if they did, I would mark that as a 1. I would count up. Oh, they got a 3 out of 4. 3 divided by 4 times 100 equals 75. So my partner got 75% correct on this procedure. Then I would go down to the second page where I want to record my all my data for every day so we can see how it changes. And so I think that it was the 10th, 2020. We're doing an intervention now, and my partner got 75%, so I'll record that there. And that is how you take data on MAND training implementation.